check him. That's pretty cool, huh? Like to see him take a dump. Sorry. No, I wouldn't. Another little show for us.
Stay away from the power lines down there.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here we are, still on the Columbia, still waiting for our first bite. Ain't had none yet. It's been a slow morning, but we've seen several fish caught all around us. As you can see, there are a lot of boats. It's a blue herring over there on the little island. And then over there, look, there's two moose over there, grazing in the green grass. Oh, there's a couple zebras over there. Just kidding, no zebras. Huh, Greg? There's Camus, the old smokestack. Pretty hazy day. All the forest fires. You can barely see Mount Hood. I'd say most of this fire is from the wood, from the Washington fire. Most of the smoke. Don't you think, Greg?
Mm-hmm.
Hope he doesn't run into those wires. Okay, we're signing off till we catch a fish. Then we'll be back.